Hi, welcome back. I've never been more glad in my life that I accidentally overestimated and bought this heater a while ago. Things work great. Sorry I'm a little behind on videos. But anyway, time for the rest of the icebreaker footage. A lot of ice. Where's a steel-hulled barge when you need one?
Hey, good morning again. I hate to break you. Does it look like that ice is kind of subsiding a little bit, or is it just wishful thinking? Well, Captain, the sailboat went through an hour or so ago and made a nice path. Alrighty, but you still have it on both sides, huh? That's normative, and of course the slush is in the middle. Yes, sir. Okay, alright, thank you very much. I'm gonna see how much I think of my bottom pain. Alrighty, I'll talk to you soon. Thank you again. Welcome, Captain.
Oh yeah, more ice. it's a fun day today. Just motoring on the ICW. Because it's a giant slush puppy out here in parts. And that's what happens when the cold freeze comes through. Ah, well, hopefully y'all had a good Christmas. Mine wasn't too bad. Sat around, had the heater on, stayed warm. Oh, I just hope I don't have enough scratches in my hull because of this. But definitely probably going to have a clean bow after going through that ice. Not too bad, though. Nothing real thick. Just have to take it easy. Thankfully, there's another boat headed south an hour ahead of me or so, and he made a nice path for me. I'm in North Carolina. I'm getting close, anyway. Southern Virginia. Pretty much middle of nowhere. Beautiful day, though. 40 degrees, feels a little warmer. The sun's nice and toasty. Get rid of that ice. Hopefully that's all behind us back there and it stays there. Yeah. Yeah, maybe not. There's some over there. Kind of glad I went this way though and not the Dismal Swamp. Dismal's much narrower. It looked like it's probably frozen over pretty decently in spots. Here at least I can get through. Some diving for dinner over there. Seen a bunch of cranes, egrets. I think they're egrets anyway. I don't know. Either way, beautiful ride down here. Out of the water, scenery, beautiful, so crisp, so clear, so dark it looks like I'm driving on a giant beer. Well, at least the seagulls are enjoying the ice. Hey, how's the ice feeling? Any luck today? Any fish? No? Okay. That one's so warm-blooded, he's thawing out the ice under him. I wonder if he'd fall through. One of them penguins and surfs up. Hi guys and girls. So yeah, we made it through the ice. We didn't sink. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.